Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Garmin Forerunner 245. To begin, press and hold the up button to access the controls menu. From there, navigate to Settings and then Activities and Apps. Select an activity like Run and ensure GPS is set to On. This enables your watch to record your location, distance, and pace accurately during your workouts, providing valuable insights into your performance. 4, 5, 13. Once you've selected a GPS-enabled activity, move to an open outdoor area away from tall buildings or dense trees. Your watch needs a clear view of the sky to acquire satellite signals quickly. It typically takes 30 seconds to 1 minute for the signal to lock. If it's taking longer, try standing still for a moment. A solid green bar indicates a strong signal, ready for your activity. 13. With a GPS lock, press the Start button to begin your activity. Your Forerunner 245 will now track your route, distance, pace, and speed. You can customize data screens to see the metrics most important to you during your run or ride. When finished, press Stop and then Save to store your activity. All your data will be available for review on the watch and in the Garmin Connect app. 2, 7, 13. To optimize your GPS experience, explore the GPS settings within your activity profiles. You can choose between GPS only, GPS plus GLONASS, or GPS plus Galileo for enhanced accuracy, especially in challenging environments. 4, 5, 9, 14. Be aware that using multiple satellite systems can slightly increase battery consumption. 4, 5. For longer activities, consider using Ultra Track Mode, which extends battery life by recording GPS data less frequently, offering up to 24 hours of tracking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 14.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.